What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Perez. This haircut I'm going to be doing a mid skin fade using the Andes Masters. First guideline I'm going to create will be a 3-0, slightly above the ear. Now I'm going to cut the remainder of the hair under the 3-0 using the 76ers with the 5-0 blade. You can also use trimmers. Now to get it a little closer, I'm going to be using the wall shaver. And if the customer can't take the shaver, you can use just a straight razor. Now I'm going to start to fade off using the 1/16 guard, cutting about half an inch from the first guideline. Now my next step will be cutting like a 1/4 inch of the hair using the 1/8 guard. Now I'm going back to the 1/16 guard to cut out any lines or dark spots. Next step, I'll be cutting a 1/4 inch of the hair with the 1/4 guard. Going back to the 1/8 guard to eliminate the dark spots that you see right there. Opening and closing the lever. Now I'm cutting a 1/4 inch using the 3/8 guard. Now I go back to the 1/4 guard, taking out any dark spots. As you can see, the fade starting to come together now. I'm going to cut a 1/4 inch using the 1/2 guard. And that's pretty much how I do my fades. It's just going up and going back and forth with the guards, creating one line and going back down to a lower guard to take it out. Now I'm going to be doing some touch-up work on the fade, so I'll be doing a lot of going back and forth with different guards to try to take out any lines or dark spots that I see. Still not done with the fade, but before I finish the fade, I like to do the side edge up because it helps me see the fade a little bit more. Now to finish the fade off, I'm going back down to the 3-0, opening and closing the lever to eliminate the first line I create. Guys, right now I'm just doing a couple finishing touches, but yeah, this is pretty much how I do my mid fades. Sorry I didn't get to record the faded beard part and the edge up, but if there's any other videos you guys want me to come out with, leave it in the comment. And I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and catch y'all next time. God bless.